there, health enthusiast! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of intermittent fasting. Before we go further, please like, subscribe, and comment the topic you want for our next video. This helps us understand the needs of our viewers. We are committed to providing topics to improve health, wellness, and fitness for all ages. First, let's define intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. It's a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. The most popular methods include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, and the 5.2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2. One of the top reasons people try intermittent fasting is for weight loss. By limiting the eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories. Plus, fasting helps lower insulin levels, which can enhance fat burning. Research shows that intermittent fasting can help you lose both weight and stubborn belly fat without needing to count calories. Next up, improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. It also increases levels of norepinephrine, a hormone that boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Did you know intermittent fasting is good for your brain too? Studies suggest that it can improve various aspects of brain health, including mental clarity and concentration. It may also increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons and is crucial for learning and memory. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, helping to decrease the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Lastly, intermittent fasting may help you live longer. Research in animals suggests that fasting can extend lifespan. While more studies are needed in humans, the current data is promising. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones, which is crucial for longevity and anti-aging. So there you have it, 5 key benefits of intermittent fasting explained. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your brain power, reduce inflammation, or live a longer, healthier life, intermittent fasting could be a great tool for you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.